it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making green chana masala. I'm so excited for this recipe. Typically, when someone thinks of chana masala, they think of a chickpea curry with a spiced tomato base. And today we're throwing that all out the door. We're gonna go the unconventional route, and we're making this chana masala with an herb paste, a little bit of lemon, some green chili. It's gonna be vibrant, fresh, and so good. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the recipes. And of course, if you are looking for the full recipe, all you gotta do is click that info box under the video and everything you need is there. Let's make some green chana masala. So to make chana masala, of course you need chickpeas, and I am going the cheaters route because there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, and using tinned chickpeas. So I have 2 tins here that I've rinsed and drained. That works out to be about 3 cups of cooked chickpeas altogether. Next up, we're gonna make our herb paste, which is going to give our chana masala its distinct color and flavor. I have some fresh ginger, some beautiful Thai green chilies, coriander, mint, and lemon, and we're gonna put all of these into a small blender and whiz them up until they create a vibrant green paste. All right, now it's time to put this chana masala together. While you guys weren't looking, I collected a few spices, and I also went ahead and chopped up an onion and a few cloves of garlic. And now we have this big pot in front of us because it's time to chole it up. Okay, let's get going. I have a pot here on medium heat with a couple of tablespoons of canola oil, and to that I'm gonna add some spices. So I have my bay leaf, a few cloves, green cardamom, and a pod of smoky black cardamom. I'm gonna drop them in, and we're gonna saute these until the cloves puff up. Now I'm gonna add in my onions, as well as my garlic, all of it, and we're gonna saute these off until they're nice and soft and slightly browned. Our onions and garlic have softened up beautifully and have really taken on the aroma of those spices. And now it's time to tumble in our chickpeas. Now I'm gonna add a few spices. So I have my homemade blend of Garam Masala, as well as a little bit of ground coriander powder, which is gonna add a citrusy note. And we of course wanna season things up with salt to taste. And I'm gonna add a touch of water to form the base of the curry. And now we're gonna cook this mixture on about medium-high heat for 5 minutes. That's all that it takes to thicken it up a bit before we add our ground masala. Things have reduced down nicely, and now I'm gonna add in my herb paste and swirl it through the chana. Look at that beautiful, vibrant green color. And we're gonna cook this for no longer than a minute just to bring the flavors of the herb paste to life. Our chana masala has cooked down. It smells amazing. I'm gonna turn the heat off. I can really smell the mint and coriander now. And now, we have a few finishing touches. So I have some fresh chopped coriander, which is gonna add a little bit of brightness, as well as some split cherry tomatoes, which are gonna add some juiciness, some sweetness, and are gonna complement the chickpeas perfectly. And just like that, our green chana masala is ready. I can't help myself. I gotta go in for the taste. Gotta get a cherry tomato in there as well. Let's do it. What I love about this chana masala is how light it is, and that's largely because of the addition of citrus in the form of lemon and those herbs. The combination of mint and coriander is such a winner. So fresh, kind of cooling. But the kicker for me are those sliced cherry tomatoes. They just burst in your mouth, and that sweetness paired with the heat of the Thai green chili is just so good. This is an unconventional Indian dish, but if you want to switch up your traditional chana masala game, this is the way to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.